So, Nia's about to sing my text messages, and make them sound less awkward than they read and more beautiful with her voice. So this is some background information. This is a girl named Hannah that I matched with on Hinge, the dating app. I don't know if you guys are familiar. Little plug. Do you want me to harmonize? I don't know if I'm just gonna ruin it. No.
You can snap. You want to
okay,
snap?
I can snap.
Yeah. Let's see. Hi, Hannah. It's Zach from Hinge. I hope your trip upstate is going well. How is Wednesday, 8 p.m. at the Ren to grab drinks? Hi, how are you? I'm heading back into the city Wednesday, so might be tricky to set a time, but I think 8 shall work. Could also do Thursday. I'm great doing some podcast editing. How are you? And let's do Thursday then. How is the same place and time? All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
That was amazing.